So here you have the connectors wired up. I'm actually going to flip this over to fit in place here. So that's how that's going to work. That's plugged into the radio, that's plugged into the clock, and this will plug into the harness in the car. I'll tape this up a bit, put some of the old wire channel back on it. So there we have it. It'll be in the car just like this, and the factory harness will plug right into here. This wire will be well protected where there's all the splices in one place. It makes it a little extra fat here, so I put some tape on the loom to hold it together.